Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make graduation cupcakes, only way. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin, then cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time, add vanilla, then alternate dry ingredients with milk until just combined. Spoon batter evenly into liners and bake for about 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow cupcakes to rest briefly after removing from the oven to finish setting, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool fully before frosting. Use an offset spatula or piping bag with a large round tip for smooth swirls, and chill cupcakes for 10 minutes if the frosting becomes too soft. Decorate with small fondant caps or edible glitter for graduation flair, keeping designs simple and tidy for best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more baking tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy while you bake and transport treats. I put a link and extra deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a vanilla or chocolate buttercream and tint small portions for contrast to your school colors. Pipe a generous swirl for the mortarboard base, then flatten a small fondant square on top for the cap and attach a tiny tassel using a dab of frosting. For a polished look, place a mini candy diploma beside each cupcake and finish with a light dusting of edible shimmer to celebrate the occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.